Hello friends, today we will discuss how to pick a random number by the range given by the user. First, drag and drop to text box and a label. Now, drag and drop a notifier. And a button. I will rename the button Enter. Now, font size should be 25 bold. Okay. Then, text box 1 hint should be minimum, min, minimum short form, and max. Then go in blocks, text, and it should be blank. Font size should be 50 so user can see it clearly, and it should be font bold. Now go in blocks. When button 1 click, do, then if then. Now first go in maths. Now drag and drop is equal to option greater than text box 1 dot text. And text box 2 dot text. And then set label 1 dot text to what? First go in maths, drag and drop random integer, and then duplicate these. Okay, then we have to add an else so that if this condition is not true, so perform this condition. Show alert notice, go in text and drag and drop it. Wrong input. Okay, now this is the code for the app. I can also show this app on Google Chrome. It means random number generator. Now what is random number generator? Means this is the random number generator. This is the random number generator. This here, this one is the minimum and this one is the maximum that we have given in our MIT app inventor designer. This is minimum one text box and maximum one text box. Minimum, maximum. Now this is uh, a label in MIT app inventor, and in other languages it can be anything, label or name, anything, output also. Now this is the output for these two random numbers. Now I have generate. This button is our enter button, generate. So we can do this. Okay. Now what is if else that we have used here? What is it? It is if then else. If then else is a statement, control statement, which give some variations in our code. Means first we have to give a condition in if our given condition is true, then it goes to next step, then, but if it is not true, then it goes on else or else if. Here we have used else, but if we use else if here, so it takes a new condition for else if, but we don't want to take a new condition for else if. Okay, thank you.